like to bring to the attention of the House and especially Electricity Department Minister. The fear and anxiety prevails in the minds of people regarding sudden spike in electricity bills being issued to shop owners and small commercial establishments in Kuchore constituency. Over the past few weeks, several traders, shopkeepers and small business owners from Kuchore town, Savarde and the surrounding areas have approached my office and complaints of unusually high electricity bills. Many of these shopkeepers state that the monthly electricity bills, which earlier ranged between 3,000 to 3,500, have suddenly jumped to 10,000 to 17,000 without any significant change in the consumption patterns. These shop owners are mostly small traders who depend on modest daily business for their livelihood. Such sudden and unexplained increase in electricity bills have caused serious financial stress and uncertainty among them. Several consumers have also expressed confusion regarding meter readings, demand local load charges and other components reflected in their bills which they find difficult to understand. I request the government to clarify the reasons behind this sudden increase in electricity bills and inform this House what immediate steps the government intends to take to address the grievances of shop owners and ensure the electricity bills is fair, transparent and accurate. Speaker sir, हांव एकूच एक सांगता सर, गव्हर्मेंट डिसिजन कितें घेतला ओके, पण म्हाका असं कंज्युमराक सांगपाक जाय आनी करपाक जाय हेच म्हाजो रिक्वेस्ट ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर आनी ऑनरेबल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिनिस्टराक.
इश्यू ताजो सारको आसा, पूण कितें जालां लोड जो कंज्युमर घेता तो लोड सामको कमी घेता. म्हणजे 3 kVA लोड घेतिल्ल्या मनशान आज 8, 9, 10 kVA पावर ऑफ करता आनी त्या खातीर ते फायन पडल्या. आमी ताचेर वर्किंग करता. आय डिस्कस वीथ द मॅटर वीथ ऑनरेबल CM ऑल्सो आनी वील कम फॉर सोल्युशन.